So we made a perfect skirt, and I'm going to show you how to make a facing for the skirt. Clean finish, no waistband. One way is you close the darts like this. I can do really fast, but you can use the Scotch tape or the pins, this. So if this is a center back, I'm gonna do a center back on the straight grain here. And this hold like this, center back, and just trace this because facing doesn't have darts. Here. So here, done, right? See how curved the back is? And I'll show you on the dress form. So let's add the seam allowances. Here, quarter is good because it's curved, so it's always better to do quarter. And here we have that 1/2 inch, right? Perfect. So green line is here in the center back. And then you're gonna do the length. Maybe I'll do 1.5 or 1 3/4. And I can do bottom with the, see here, you can just do like this. So that it's all even all around. So at the bottom, if it doesn't have a lining, then you can do narrow seams, or there's another way to do a binding for clean finish. If this has a lining, then you're gonna create the seam here and create a lining to go with the skirt. Now let's do the front. Now when it's cut, you don't know which way to sew. Is this the back or front? So make sure you have notches to identify. So I usually will put a notch at the center back here so that I know this is back. Okay, corresponding to this. So this is my back. Okay, now front, we have it unfold here. This is a fold sign, and I'm gonna put this on fold, and I'm gonna trace this. Now I'm gonna use a little bit different method, okay? So that you see in both methods, right? So this is a center front to center front, like this, and trace this up to this point, to the center front. Here is your notch, and push at the bottom and rotate this to match this notch. So this is like a closing a dart. It's the same thing, except you're not gonna waste the Scotch tape. Here is this, and trace this, and trace this side, and done. See, we have the same result. Now I'm gonna take this one as also do this way, and this way, and this way.
What's the length on that?
Length is whatever the measurement is on my skirt. I don't even need to measure. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's like same, skip the darts. I front facing, I want to make sure I have a center front notch so that I can control and put the seam allowances so that you remember. And let's look at the dress form. And let's look at the dress form, how it fits her. So this one here, and here, and here. See this? Right? There's no dart, and it fits her perfect. Slight curve. This curve was a lot less than the back curve. Now check the back. So back was more curved than the front, right? Because you have the butt here. So if I put it here, to the center front, and this, that gives you more room here. You know, this, she's a little bit flat here, but trust me,